Hey there, welcome to another day of Smokin' with Joe. Today we're making an awesome smoked corn salsa. And we're going to use smoked corn to give more depth to the flavor of the salsa. And once you've tasted it, salsa ain't going to be the same without it, believe me. I caramelized 4 cobs of corn on the grill earlier. And you don't have to caramelize, but it does amp up the flavor profile by giving the kernels a kind of an additional nutty, sweet, toasty taste. All right, so I'm gonna smoke for 2 hours. I'm gonna use hickory biscuits and no heat. Beautiful, that's all there is to it. All right, let's get the rest of the ingredients going here. So here's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use 3 cups of fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna dice them all up. I'm gonna use a cup of peppers. I'm gonna cut them fairly fine. And I'm gonna use 3/4 of a cup of onion, finely diced. 1/4 cup of garlic, chopped up quite fine. 4 jalapenos, all chopped up nicely. We're going to use a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and of course the smoked corn once it's ready. I'm going to use a cup of that. And so basically, when that's all done, put it all into a pot. Add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and then boil it up and let it boil for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes, just to blend all the flavors together, soften up some of the harder vegetables to make so it's not so crunchy. And then I'm gonna let it sit for an hour. And that's gonna let the smoke flavor work its way through. It's gonna be awesome once you do that. Well, time for a taste test. I'm gonna check it out with Jose and see what he thinks. Okay, the big taste test.
Es muy buena. El sabor ahumado agrega otro nivel de sofisticación a la salsa. No es mala para un gringo.
Not bad for a gringo. Oh, before you go, please make sure that you check out the 10% off discount coupon at bradleysmoker.com. And if you liked what you were watching today, please subscribe, because we're going to be making a lot more videos on smoked food, and we'd love to see you there. Well, that's about it. Cheers.